Okay, let's see. I think the front door is open to for this one. Hello. Okay, I'm just here to check the furnace. Oops, this is not the way. Let's check the thermostat quick. 55. Setting it for 65. Okay, it should be running. Let's see what's wrong with it. This is the basement. So we have looks like a Carrier furnace. Yeah, it is a Carrier furnace. And it looks like pretty old. Let me see how old it is. 91. So it's 1991 furnace. We have been here before. Looks like before we replace the condenser capacitor. Get more light for you guys. Let me get you some more light. Okay, looks like the homeowner was playing with it. So let's see if we have close the door switch. So right now we only have the blower running. Let's see. Part of the sequence of operation is a call for heat, then the inducer. Once the inducer is running, the pressure switch will close. After the pressure switch closes, we need the igniter to glow. After the igniter is the gas valve open. This is the gas valve allowing gas. Once it is ignited, then the flame sensor should sense the flame, and after 60 seconds the blower motor will kick in. So right now it's just running the blower. Let me double check that we have a call. Okay, we have a call. We have the inducer. Pressure switch will close. And then the igniter should glow. And it's not doing it. So seems like the gas valve open, allowing some gas, but the igniter is not igniting. It's not glowing. So Let me check voltage to the igniter. I don't think that I have one of those with me. Maybe I should get more of those, because right now it's gonna be a long trip back to the supply house for that igniter. Let's try it again and see if we have voltage going to the igniter. Okay, there it is. We have 120 volt, but igniter wasn't glowing. A 120 volt and the igniter wasn't glowing. Another thing that you guys can do is to check the resistance. Let's lower the range of this. Okay, we have OL. Let's change the range. OL. Is it connecting? Yeah. OL. Let me change the range again just in case to kilo. Yeah, you should be getting around 50 ohms on this guy, and right now it's OL. So it's open. We need a new one. Okay, I am back. I have here, this is the new one with the part number, igniter, hot surface. So let me show you what a new one looks like. If you can see here, this is what it looks like. The glow bar, you need to be very careful with this because it's very brittle. You don't want to break this thing. But just so you know, let's compare the resistance of this one of a new one, so you have an idea of the own reading of a new one. It is 70 ohms, so that's good. Now, okay, now let me remove the old one, which is here. Okay, I was able to replace the igniter. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna clean the flame sensor quick while I have everything like that disconnected. And I use some sandpaper, really fine sandpaper, and just do this. Make sure this is clean. It looks decent. That's clean. That's usually one of the cause where when your furnace is not going to work, it's not going to heat if it's not sensing the flame. Yeah, so to replace that igniter, it was a little bit difficult, not the best setup for that. So let's see. So another thing that we can check is the capacitor of the blower motor while we are here, because we don't want to get a call back for something simple. So this is a 5 microfarads. So let's see what is the actual reading. Okay, let me put it in microfarads. Okay, there we are. Let's see. And this is reading 4.9, so it's still good. Still good. Now I replace the igniter, check the and clean the flame sensor. Now let's get this back. Let's see what happened. Okay, now let's give it a few minutes until the heating sequence start, and then we go from there. Too big. Too big of a hole. There it is. And we have fire. We have fire. Now let me go and get my my combustion analyzer. Okay, let's do a combustion analysis quick. Carbon monoxide level is rising. If it gets over 100, that's a pretty good indication that the heat exchanger is failing, is going bad. So, and it makes sense because this furnace is 1991, so that's what, like 34 years old. Let's keep running for a little bit longer. So 125. I'm gonna let it run. Let me also take a temperature rise. So we have $129 129, 130 degree Fahrenheit. And on the return, $60, that's 70 delta T, which is on the higher end. It's right there on the edge. I can increase the speed and improve that's what I can do. Increase the speed of the fan to reduce the temperature rise, or delta T, temperature difference. So we can see here is the combustion, the carbon monoxide is hovering 123, 124. So I would say they need to start thinking on replacing this furnace on a new furnace. Well, guys, that will be it for today. Let me know what you think. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section down below, and see you until the next one. Peace.